Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on marking a book as read or unread on the Kindle Paperwhite. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To mark a book as read, from the Kindle homepage, find the book that you would like to mark as read and tap the three dots in the bottom right of the book cover. Then choose Mark as Read from the options. That book will then show as read. To mark a book as unread, tap the three dots on the cover of the book, and then choose Mark as Unread from the top of the menu. That book will no longer show as read. Instead, you will see what percentage of the book you have read in the top right corner of the book cover. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Kindle tips and tricks.